In this repair video, we're gonna be working on the bead spill that was mailed to us from Florida. Same exact issue like the previous ones that we've done on YouTube, where the charging port is broken off the board. As soon as I took the pill apart, the charging port fell right off. This is a very well known weak point of the bead spill. This is the motherboard here. If you flip it, there's a vertical board here, and the charging port must be soldered onto this area of the vertical board. So we cannot put this board in a board holder. We have to just leave it like this, and we kind of have to solder it like this. The charging port sits on top here. Let's go under the microscope so I can show you how it looks like. So this is where the charging port broke off. Almost always this pad breaks off because it's not connected to anything. This one is kind of ripped off the board also, but it's connected with this, so it doesn't matter. Let's put the meter in continuity mode to make sure all the traces are good. This one is going right there, and the trace is good. This one is not going anywhere. And finally we have this one here, and yes, it's good. Now the only issue with soldering a new connector here is we have to keep this board steady so it doesn't wobble while we are working on it. All right, that should do it. So we're gonna press and hold and apply solder here. Okay, so we soldered the first one, the second, the third. The fourth one we did not solder because it's not connecting to anything, and we soldered the fifth one. Pin number 1 is solid, pin number 2 is solid, number 3 is solid, number 4 is not connecting to anything, and pin number 5. Very good. The job is done. Clean up. Let's try it right now before we assemble it. And right there, it turned red. So the charging port is working now. We're gonna assemble it and we'll give it one last try to make sure it's working. And I'll be back. Okay, so Big Boss assembled the bead spill. It's not fully assembled yet, but we can test it. We can see the blue, we can see the red light on the back here, which indicates that the battery is being charged. And okay, right there. And I have it plugged into the charging cable because the battery is dead. And let's go to YouTube and play anything. Right there. Speaker is working. Let me raise the volume. Alright, so that's it. Beats Pill is fixed. We're gonna reassemble this and ship it back to the customer. We have other devices that we will be working on today. Right, we just got this one here. Customer want to pick up ASAP because it's for a business and it's not charging. It's an HP Spectre, and I disassembled the laptop so we can see what's going on. Looking at the charging port cable, I do see that two of the wires are broken off. So this is the positive side of the connector. As you can see, it's broken off the connector here. Ground looks good, and the other sensing cables, they look okay. So we're gonna have to resolder this with this. All right, that should be good enough. And just give me one moment.
Do you have something I can put it for
Headphones?
not headphones? I want to put that one.
Show me.
I want to put this one.
We're gonna pre-apply solder onto the soldering iron tip. And that's it. Give it to Big Boss to reassemble it, and then we can test if the laptop is charging. Dawa? Okay, so it's good, it's working. Yeah, we do see an orange light here. We did not get that orange light when customer first brought this in. So the laptop is accepting the voltage from the charger. Right there, so that's the orange light. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.